guys, welcome to my channel, Exploring and Bottle Collecting with Jimmy. We're at this abandoned house today. Oh, the Sissels. Actually, it's an abandoned farm. All these buildings are deserted. I don't have time today to go through it. I'll just take a look before we go in the house. So this is I believe a cattle barn. There's the troughs. There's a sewer. And there's angry birds. Take a quick peek down here. I'm going to the house. This is fairly recent construction. It's too bad they lost it, or whatever happened, I don't know. But oh, there it goes on again. Not much to see here. There's the grates. So there's some more. Goes on and on. These are concrete grates. It's quite an operation they just let go. It's too bad. They had a bad year farming. Could have been someone died, you never know. But that concrete is not very old. About 10 years old, 15. There's the house. Oh, now watch that step. Okay, guys. I'll meet you at the front door. Back in a minute. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Exploring and Bottle Collecting with Jimmy. I'm at this abandoned house. It's along the side of the road. Door is open. Oh wow. Well beat up. That's a nice summer day. Kitchen cupboards. This house has been sitting empty for a while. There's a deep fryer still here. Drawers. A fan that has a couple birds' nests on it. Just their barn swallows. This is the bathroom. Sink. Some animal has been in here. Well, we're right in the middle of a cornfield, so I think it'd be some raccoons and rats. It's the living room, I guess. Out by the trim. Somebody's gutted this place. No shelf left, and they've done it over. Oh, there's the mold. You get the vines coming in. A strainer. And a stool. Not a chair this time. At least something. A little crawl space. Looks like there's some stuff down there, but I ain't crawling down there. I don't know what's in this house. So, there's the stairs. Oh, there's a bird. So, hardwood floors. Little bedroom. Little closet. Lots of poop. Notice how raccoons poop in the corner. Another little room. Drywall's all peeling. Nice view out the window. Little bench in the closet. Now look at that stucco, eh? Somebody had nothing to do, so they stuccoed everything. Oh, I had a hot water heater up here. Floors buckling. And the bird just came. I'm sitting there. A little bit of wildlife. Welcome back. Shag carpeting. Little animal here just didn't make it. I don't know what that is now. This could be a rat. Big rat. Like I say, we're surrounded in cornfields, so I would imagine that. Oh, there's a nest there. It's probably where they got their. You can see some feathers up there. Look at that. The 70s live again. Shag carpeting in three colors of green. And just put the hot water tank on top of the carpeting. Pair of jeans. Not much left in here. So I'll let the birds get back to what the birds are doing. So this is not much here. I've been doing a lot of bottle digging videos lately, so I haven't had a chance to do any abandoned houses. There's a nice picture. Look at that view. So I thought I'd give you one. So check out, if you haven't checked out my bottle digging videos, check them out. They're interesting. Found a pocket watch the other day. Kind of neat. There's a shelf. It ain't gonna fall over anytime soon. Not like the rest of the house. Sorry guys, those stairs are rotten. You might not be able to see it, but they're soaking wet and rotten. I mean, there's plants growing on them. I would normally go down there, but I'm not taking a chance on rotten stairs. Sorry. Look at that concrete wall there. Yeah, this is the part that's most rotten. So that's it for this place. I'm gonna get Dale and Nicole, and looks like Sissy or Chelsea. This whole place is sitting abandoned. Somebody spent a lot of money and just gave up. Alright guys, please click like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you again. Bye for now.